Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to change the page orientation in Google Docs. Let's begin. First, open Google Doc and top side you can see here format. Just click on format. Now select page orientation. Now you can choose here from select text or whole document. Just select the requirement according to you and tick on landscape and click on OK. You can see here it is changed to landscape. Text on landscape mode. Just select the text. Again go on format. Go on page orientation. Select the selected content. Click on landscape. Click on OK. You can see here these texts are in landscape mode. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.